Let's begin this recipe by mixing the dry ingredients together. Put sugar directly in the bowl, but it is best to sift the rest. 1 3/4 of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 heaping teaspoon of baking soda, 1 heaping teaspoon of baking powder, and last 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Now mix well the mixture. What I love about this recipe is that it is quick and so easy to make. After mixing it well, just make a small well in the center. Now crack in 2 eggs. Room temperature works best, as they blend more easily and improve the texture. Next, add 1 cup of milk. Then add half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start mixing from center of the bowl, gradually working your way outwards. This way, wet ingredients will combine thoroughly with the dry ones. Keep mixing the batter until it is smooth and free of lumps. This is exactly how it should look. Let's take a break from the batter and let's brew some coffee. Simply pour boiling water over a teaspoon of coffee. But don't drink it, we will need it for the recipe. Now let's get back to the batter and slowly pour coffee. Adding little by little makes it easier to blend together, giving you smooth and even batter. Even if batter looks like a milkshake, pour in every last bit of the coffee. This is exactly how it should be. Now grease the pan thoroughly and line it with the parchment paper. Finally, pour the batter in the mold. Now the mixture is ready to bake. Bake it until toothpick from the center comes out clean. Gently remove the cake from the mold. Trust me, it turned out so soft that it was difficult to handle. Now here comes the trick. Use the dental floss to cut the cake in 2 halves. Now take 2 chocolate bars. I prefer the semi-sweet ones. Chop them into small pieces so that it would be easier to mix. Let's make rich and delicious chocolate cream. For best results, take 2/3 cup of chilled heavy cream in a cold bowl and mix it well. Once the cream starts to thicken, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whip it well until stable peaks form. But remember not to overmix it. Take 3 egg yolks in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2/3 cup of heavy cream. Now mix it well and then put it on a very low flame to make it warm. Be careful not to boil the mixture. Now turn off the flame and put chopped chocolate in this mixture. Now give it a good mix. Chocolate will melt quickly in this warm mixture and it will combine nicely. Now without wasting any time, gently fold the chocolate mixture into the whipped cream. You need to work quickly here. Combine the cream and assemble the cake immediately, as the cream will firm up and harder to spread. The rich and delicious cream is ready. Now the fun part begins, to spread the cream and assemble the cake. Now place the other half of the cake on the top. I used rotating stand, but if you don't have it, that's fine. Now sprinkle cocoa powder on the top and I have added some edible glitter on the top. That's it, the cake is ready. You can enjoy the cake right away or share it with your friends. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Thank you for joining me.